Okay, so we are going to change the first column to half into c by 2. That is because we want to 1 over here, correct? So to get that as 1, जो first column है उसको हम divide करेंगे by 1 by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 divided by 2 is half. Okay. यहाँ पे C2 there is no change. I will write C2 as it is. A inverse of course. This also you should not forget. Here again the same rule. Column 1 divided by 2. 0 divided by 2 there is no change. It will be 0 only. Column 2 there is no change. Okay. So now coming to the next one. Okay. So now we'll try to make this one 0, right? This we have to make 0. So what are we going to do? We can do the C2, right? C2, that's a column second. So column second, we have to perform such a type of operation in such a way that we want to make this 0. So 5 minus 5 I want, so that this becomes 0. So here we have a 1 that can help us in making this 5 0. 5 minus 5 times column 1 should give us 0. So C2 becomes C2 minus 5 times C1. Are you understanding? So this is our C2. I want to make this 0. This minus 5 times C1 will give me 0. Just a second. Okay. Yes? Alright. So how are we going to make them 0? C2 mein there is a change. 5 minus 5 times 1. So that is 0. 3 minus 5 times half. Correct? C minus 5 times C1. So that's C minus 5 times. 3 minus 5 divided by 2 we have. तो इसको अगर कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो हमको क्या मिलेगा 3 minus 5 divided by 2. We can always calculate it like this is actually 3 by 5, right? 3.5. 5 divided 2.5, correct? So 3 minus 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Then the balance is 0.5, which is actually equal to half. That way you can do. नहीं तो if you want to do a fraction cross multiply करके that way also you can do. 3 twos are यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है तो मतलब this is equal to 1. So 3 twos are 6 minus ये 1 5 5 divided by ये दोनों का multiplication 1 twos are 2. So the answer is again going to be half only. So no problem, right? So this is again equal to half. This is half, and then C1 there is no change, so it will be easy. We're kind of more used to doing row transformation, so column transformation sometimes becomes a problem. Okay, so now first column as it is. Second column will be, let me just 0